How to add members on your Telegram group. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add members on your Telegram group. So the first thing you want to do is open your Telegram app. And now once you've opened Telegram and you've made sure you are logged into your account, simply go to the group where you want to add people. Now once you're on this group, simply tap on the name of the group on the top side of the screen. After that, you'll be taken to a page somewhat like this, where right over here you can see the option add members, so tap on it. Now it will provide you a list of all of your contacts on Telegram. So now you are free to choose whomever you want to add to your group. So simply select the person whom you want to add to your group or multiple people, and once you've selected them, simply tap on this tick icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now it will ask you whether you really want to add this person to your group. So confirm it by tapping add, and there you have it. We have successfully added a contact on your Telegram group. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.